Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on park. A park is a fun place to play and explore. Parks have green grass and tall trees. You can see colorful flowers in the park. There are swings and slides for kids to play on. Many parks have benches to sit and relax. Some parks have ponds with fish and ducks. You can ride your bike or play with a ball. Parks are great for having a picnic with family. Birds and butterflies fly around in the park. Visiting the park helps you stay active and happy. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.